Hey guys, this is Nate. Somebody asked me to do a video on this unique vise that I have. Thought I'd show you. I've had this for a long time. It's designed for a farrier to put a horseshoe in, like this. Got a foot pedal down here. But over the years I found it works pretty good for other stuff too. You could put lots of different size stock in there. Holds pretty tight. I use it a lot for grinding. I'd say this is about 3.5 inches across, 2.5 inches deep, and it looks like it's made from quarter inch plate. When you step on the pedal, it's got about 1/2 inch of travel. That's plenty. And of course, the bigger material you put in, the harder it clamps, because it's just got a spring inside of it. You can see right here on the front face, it's got a bevel. That's so when you're running a file or a grinder, like get a file. And so if you had a piece of stock in there like this, and you're filing, this gives you a little bit of clearance. Here's 1/4 inch round. Clamps in there pretty good. You could saw, use a hacksaw, grind it, whatever. Here is a piece of junk. 5/16 plate. That holds pretty good. It's got a lot of surface area, so a big flat piece like that really holds well. Round stock, it'll work. You could file. This works great for hot work too. Not going anywhere. You can get all the edges, get everything that's exposed, and then when you're about done, slide it down to the part that was under the clamp. You can brush that. I think my drill's giving out. I don't know what's going on. Sounds like my drill's giving out or something. I'm not sure what that noise is. She's a goner. Doesn't do it on low. Put it in high range. Woo-wee. Anybody ever had this happen before? I don't know what to think. Oh well. I'll put that there. Got a farrier's rasp welded to the top. Got these little hook brackets that hold it to the frame. Here's a bracket how it's held to the frame. And here's actually a hook for you to hang your rasp. Just like that. Overall length on this rascal is about 36 inches to the bottom of the vise. Looks like it is 2-inch diameter tube. Let me pull it off and I'll show you the bottom. Alright, there you can see it kinda. This here looks like a 1-inch stock, 1/4 by 1. Oop. Right here you can see the brackets, that the little hooks that hold it onto the stand. There's 2 of them, top and bottom. They just wedge in and you pop it off with a hammer. And I think that this L-shaped piece pushes up in the middle, pushes the spring. I think there's a full length piece of rod that goes all the way through. And then as you push the pedal down, it pushes the middle piece up. That's a tight spring. Anyhow, it's been great. I use it all the time. Thought I'd share with you. I'll show you how it goes back on. It's pretty light. I mean, it was designed for farrier work where you're loading up and unloading different places all the time. You can just drop this on. And you're set. Do all your file work, whatever. Alright, thanks for watching.